just the wave. Yeah. Waves don't lie. Let me grasp for the moment. I don't need to own, no lie.
Hey guys, I'm here with Gartman Landscape and Excavation. We're out here in Jasper, Highlands, throwing 35-yard pour. Right now, we're just waiting for the truck to come in.
Sun don't shine in the shade.
Treat everything to a level, and then just give it that nice, smooth finish. After it's set, we'll throw the machine on, give it that real nice and beautiful slick finish. Just stay tuned for a finished product.
The feelings don't really go away. That's just the way.